So take a look at what's just arrived for us to try for a week. So I think we mentioned to you before in one of our previous videos that Volkswagen have been really kind in lending us a Grand California 600 for a week. So we're going away for the weekend. Let us know in the comments below if there's anything that you want to know about specifically, or you want us to test. Any kind of comments of things that you're interested in with this 600. Lots of things also apply to the 680 as well, so if you're thinking about either of those, obviously just drop it in the comments below. Now we are going to do a live stream from the van on Monday night, so that's Monday the 23rd of January, 8 PM UK time. We're going to be in the van, we're going to do a live stream, we can do a live Q&A about anything in the van, might even be able to show you bits and pieces around the van if you want to. So do join us for that. We'll put another reminder out on social media at the start of the day on Monday. But yeah, do let us know if there's anything that you want us to test in the van. It's only a short video today, but let us know in the comments below. We'll do our very best to answer any questions you might have, or find out the answers for you. So hopefully you can join us on Monday, 8 PM live stream. See you there. So let's just give you a very quick wander around this fantastic looking two-tone. So you've got indium grey and reflex silver. It's looking very smart, I have to say. This van is, from the spec, a standard van apart from awning on the side, awning light, reversing camera, diesel heating. I think that's about it. Oh, I think it's got toilet ventilation as well. So no solar panel on this one. It's usually be at the top there. And it's got normal headlights rather than LEDs. Don't think it's got any of the kind of driver aid things on it. Usually, as standard spec, you get adaptive cruise and stuff, but don't think it's got things like lane assist and all that kind of stuff. But let's have a quick wander inside. So on these, you probably know, you get a little slidey out step. Push the door open. So easily wander inside. Obviously very different to a normal California. And obviously got a bench seat here. Table slots into that rail there and comes out. That's stored in the back at the moment. We'll talk a bit more about that in due course. And then obviously a transverse bed at the back, slightly wider at this end than the other. So you're meant to sleep with your heads this end. And then obviously the toilet compartment. So shower, toilet, everything in there, which again looks like that. I'm sure you've seen one of these before. Obviously all of your lockers and everything at the top. It just feels like this is ripe for customization to me. You know, you've got some nice kind of white spaces in here which you could do something with, either transfers or something like that. So this lump on the top here and this means that this one does have the upper bed. So this bed here pulls forward, you can see those pop out, and it just means that you've got an extra smaller bed at the top. It's not for two adults, it's for two kids, but we'll talk a bit more about that on the review. Obviously the front seats swivel round and all that sort of stuff. Usual crafter cab, nice quality, and yeah, looking good. So that's the very, very brief tour of the interior. Obviously this is a demo one, so it's not got any customization or anything like that in it, but I'll just show you in the back. Right, let's give it a quick opening at the back. So just slot these open. There's a little handle which we can open there. So outdoor table with a nice little retainer on it as well. Outdoor chairs, obviously all clipped in properly, which is good. And then under here see various lockers. I'll do a proper van tour of this in due course, but got various lockers. This is the gas locker. There's a gas bottle in there, and under there is where the table is. So yeah, this is obviously your mattress, quite a bit thicker than a regular California, if you're used to one of those, and obviously it's got the nice individual Frolly springs on there as well. So yeah, that's a quick tour of the back. Winding handle at the top there for the awning, and at the very top, we can see it just up there, that's the reversing camera. So that's your very quick tour of this Grand California. Like I said, hopefully see you on the live stream when we do it, Monday 23rd January, 8 PM. See you there.